everyone, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color the letter T. First, I'm going to color the letter T in the colors of the rainbow. It's red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, blue, and purple. Let's learn what words start with the letter T. T. Toucan. The toucan is a colorful bird. Don't forget to click subscribe button. T. Tomato. Tomatoes are very healthy. Do you like to eat tomatoes? T. Tiger. The tiger is the largest wild cat in the world. Tigers can swim very well and can run fast too. Amazing! Today we learned about the letter T. I hope you enjoyed the process. Have a colorful day! New videos come every week.